JTFA for life. Like and subscribe. Everybody, so today we're gonna see what goes on in Bill's life.
Really, Bill?
Meow.
Oh my gosh! I never knew that. Really, what team do you play on?
The Bills,
Of course. Yeah, it's kind of obvious you're Bill, but tell me more about your life.
I'm a professional scooter rider.
You even scooter, Bill? I never knew that. What? Oh my gosh. Can you tell me something else?
I don't care about your life.
No, you're leaving? Oh, well, bye, Billy. Okay, so guys, that's apparently what goes on inside of Bill's life. So thank you very much. Sorry for my brother. I will be. Okay. So guys, I've made it in Sam's room, and now we're gonna see what goes on in Violet's life. Violet. Okay, so first of all, no, Violet, pay attention to me.
Oh God, please no.
What? You don't want to pay attention to me? Fine. We'll film nuggets then.
Wait.
Sorry, Violet. Okay. Nuggets. Oh yeah. I should probably put on the light. There we go, but oh my gosh.
I'm over here already.
Nuggets, so
Get it
first
right.
of all, tell us what your favorite color is. We can't see you. It's orange? Oh, well, that's obvious. Tell us something you don't know. What? I didn't know leopard geckos body surfed. I didn't think, they did that. Okay, so Nuggets, you need to get on the camera. Oh, there's a good shot. Okay, so Nuggets, for the interview, what else do you do? Well, you obviously eat crickets, so yeah. Okay? So bye, Nuggets. Bye. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for watching this little video I made about how what goes on in my pet's life. So I'm gonna do a part 2 where I interview Utah and Callie, but I don't even know where Callie is right now. And then Utah, he was in by the noise. So thank you very much for watching. And remember to hit that subscribe button because let's try to get 5 likes on this video. That's pretty easy, right? Oh, and by the way, and so yeah, cause I'm lit, and smash that like button for, hold on, I'll pause it, and unpause it, and yeah, so leave a like for that unicorn costume. You already know, so thank you very much for watching. Sorry for any background noise in this video, and I will see you later. Bye.